This review is of Nature's Nectar, sparkling fresh sugar plum, apple cider, no artificial flavors, contains 100% juice. Is there anything else special about it? Well, apparently not. But here are the nutrition facts. One bottle has 170 calories, no fat, cholesterol, sodium, or protein, 43 grams of carbs, of which all of them are sugar, but not added. Whew. Man, I just about had a heart attack. That's a lot of included sugar. And there are the ingredients. Pasteurized. All right, let's go ahead and try them out. And these are not twist off, so I need my opener. It's quite acidic. The first thing that hits you is the sweetness, and then the acidity. I don't know why they call it sugar plum, because there are no plums in here. There's grape skin extract for color, but basically this is just apple juice and natural flavor. But why they call it sugar plum apple cider is, I guess, the natural flavor is apple from the plums. I don't really know. It doesn't taste exactly like apple cider, so I guess that must be it. Would have been nice if they'd actually used some plums in the flavoring. I mean, in the juice. Sorry. It's okay. Sweet and sour soda. So I'll give it a 6.5. Thanks for watching and hope you have a great day.